Hi there, and welcome to Part 1 in Research Manitoba's grant writing tutorial series. Your lay summary is one of the first parts of your research proposal that reviewers will read, so it's important to make a good impression. Lay summaries can also be used in promotional activities, such as press releases and newsletters, so it needs to be understandable to experts and non-experts alike. Think of your lay summary as a summary on the back of a book. You want to pique your reader's interest and entice them to read more. Here are a few tips to help you write the best lay summary you can. The purpose of a lay summary. There are three main goals of a lay summary. 1. Explain why the research is being done. Why is this an important research question to answer? 2. Explain how the research will be done. What methodology are you using? 3. Explain what the impact of the research will be. How will the results of your research impact society or your target demographic? Keep it short and to the point. Adhere to the recommended character count. Research Manitoba outlines the character restrictions in the corresponding program guide for each program. Lay summaries have an average maximum character count of 2,000 characters. Use shorter, less complex sentences. About 15 to 25 words per sentence is a good range. While you don't want to oversimplify your research, it's important to make the content as accessible as possible. Consider the flow. Try breaking up your lay summary into distinct sections, indicated by a new paragraph. You want your lay summary to be easy to read, and organizing it neatly helps to accomplish that. Give a TED Talk. TED Talks are engaging and interesting. Try to emulate that in your lay summary. It might be helpful to watch TED Talks or 3-minute thesis competitions to get a good idea of how to write your lay summary in an engaging fashion. Give your research context by using concrete, real-world examples. If the results of your research can have clinical implications or result in policy changes, for example, highlight that. Avoid jargon. Technical terminology is important, but avoid using it in your lay summary. Remember, not everyone who reads your lay summary will be an expert in your field. Non-experts should be able to read your lay summary and understand the who, what, when, where, and why of your research. It is helpful to have a non-expert friend or colleague read your lay summary. Ask them to let you know if there are any terms that they don't understand or concepts that need further clarification. Proofread. Grammar, spelling, and punctuation are important all throughout your proposal. Reading your lay summary aloud to yourself is a good way to figure out if you are missing commas or if you use the wrong word. Ask for a second opinion. Sometimes, a fresh set of eyes can catch an error that you may have missed. Remember, a well-polished lay summary and research proposal speaks volumes about your professionalism. Congratulations! You now have all the tools you need to write an effective lay summary. If you have questions about writing a lay summary, leave us a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more grant writing videos. If you have questions about any of Research Manitoba's programs, check out our website at www.researchmanitoba.ca.